Some people ask that what is the difference between these two sentences. I see here we have the first sentence like ドアが開けっぱなしだよ。早く閉めなさい。And the second sentence is say ドアを開けっぱなしだよ。早く閉めなさい。So the difference between these two sentences just is about ドアが and ドアを。So what is the difference when we translate to be English? If we translate to be English, we can say like the same. As you see here, the first sentence we can translate like the door is left open, please close it quickly. And the second sentence we also say like the door is left open, please close it quickly. So what is the difference between these two sentences and when we use each sentence? As you see here, the difference is ga and o. These two sentences are different. The first sentence they use ドアが開けっぱなしだよ, but the second sentence is say ドアを開けっぱなしだよ. If you use ga, that means another person open the door to be like that situation. But if you use o, that means the person who's speaking that sentence is do open the door to be like that situation. So it's different. If you say ドアが開けっぱなし, that means another person, but you don't know the name of that person who opened the door to be like that situation. So you can say ドアが開けっぱなしだよ. It means the door is left open. You don't know the person. But if you say ドアを開けっぱなしだよ, it means if you say that means you open the door to be like that situation. But if you want to say the name of the person, you can say, for example, Mr. Tanaka-san open the door to be like that situation. You can say 田中さんはドアを開けっぱなしだよ. Or you can say 渡辺さんはドアを開けっぱなしだよ, which means Mr. Tanaka-san opened the door into that situation. So this is the difference between ドアが開けっぱなし and ドアを開けっぱなしだよ. If you have any problem or you have any question, you can comment here and I will answer you later.